Hello and welcome to PH.261 Physics of Energy and Environment. This is your instructor Dr. Vasudevarao Aravind. In this video I will talk about the course outline and grading policies for PH.261. Please pay careful attention to this video since this is required for you to obtain a good grade in this class. My email ID is given here. At any point of time in this course, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. The syllabus book and other details for this class are given on your D2L page. Log into your D2L and see the content section. There you will find all this information. Okay, so let's start with a bird's eye view of the semester. The semester has 15 weeks plus 1 week of finals. We will have a midterm exam for this course during week 8, which is the week from October 13 through October 17. And during week 14 we have the Thanksgiving break in which we have 3 days of holidays, and week 16 will be our final exam week. So during this course we will follow a regular weekly schedule. I will regularly assign study material such as book chapters, research articles or web-based videos. The assigned course material for the week will be available on D2L checklist. So let's take a look at the weekly schedule that we'll be having in this class. So first of all, on Monday and Tuesday, I will be assigning study exercises and other study material throughout this class. And whatever has been assigned, whatever chapter or whatever book section has been assigned, will be posted on the checklist section of your D2L page. So you will have Monday and Tuesday of the week to go through a particular book chapter and to study the relevant study material. And then after going through the material, on Tuesday I want you to post before 11:59 p.m. I want you to post on the discussion board these things. Number one, 3 things that you learned after reading the study material, and 1 question that you still have after reading the study material, and I want you to input 1 response to 3 other student comments. Remember that other students just like you will be reading through the study material and posting it on D2L. I want you to respond to 3 comments from other students, 3 different students. Again, we'll follow the same pattern on Wednesday and Thursday also. You will be reading some other book section on Wednesday and Thursday, and then you will be sharing your thoughts on the discussion board. 3 things that you learned, 1 question that you still have, and 1 response to 3 other student comments. So essentially every week you will be posting on 2 different discussion boards on D2L. And then on Wednesdays there will be homework assignments due almost every week. I'm not giving any homework assignments for week 1 because that's the week we will be getting started, and that's the week you will have time to go through the first few sections of the book. So there will be no homework on week 1, but from week 2 onwards there will be assignments due on Wednesdays before 11:59 p.m. on D2L, and these homework assignments you will have to submit through the D2L Dropbox. And then on Fridays you will be completing a quiz that I shall put on D2L. And this quiz will be based on material that you study from Monday through Thursday, and you will be answering the quiz. The quiz will consist of multiple choice questions and sometimes long answer questions as well. And this quiz will be available all day Friday from 12:01 a.m. on Friday to 11:59 p.m. on the same Friday. Also, please make sure that you keep checking your email just in case there are any schedule changes. Let me talk a few words about the term group project that you will be doing in this class. And please pay attention because this group project will account for a considerable portion of your grade. So this project will be done in groups by all of you. You can form groups of 2 to 3 students. And the group project will be a written essay about 10 pages in Microsoft Word and single-spaced on a topic that is related to energy, environment, and sustainability. You may pick a topic of your choice, but you need to get it approved by me before working on it. This is just to make sure that the topic that you choose is relevant to what we are doing in this class. And the project will highlight what you understood in this class, basically what you got as a take-home message from this class. So this project, you will discuss the role of physics in energy, environment, and sustainability in this world. So this project will essentially reflect what you learned from this class, and this project will be due sometime in the middle of the semester. As the semester progresses, I will keep you updated on the project due date. So let me talk about the most important thing, the grading, how you will be receiving the grades for this class. So first and foremost, as I said, you will be having discussions, and in this discussion you will input 3 things that you learned, and then 1 question that you still have, and 3 responses to different student comments. So that will account for 25 points. And remember, you will be having 2 discussions every week. And there will be no discussion on Thanksgiving week, and of course no discussion on the final exam week. So that leaves us with 14 weeks and 2 discussions every week. So that's 28 discussions, and that will count for a total of 700 points. And then you will be having weekly quizzes on Fridays, and there will be 14 such quizzes, and that makes it 350 points. Again, there will be no quiz on the Thanksgiving week. And then there will be homework assignments, as I pointed out. There will be a total of about approximately 12 homework sets. So each of them will carry 25 points. So 25 times 12, that would be 300 points. And then we have a midterm exam sometime in the middle of the semester, and that will count for 100 points. And then the term group project, as I talked about in the last slide, will count for 100 points. And then the final exam will count for 200 points. So the total is 1,750 points. And finally, talking about the gradings, the letter grade, the tentative letter grade that I will be assigning are as follows. So as I mentioned, there will be a total of 1,750 points. So if you get a total score of somewhere between 1,575 to 1,750, you get an A. Between 1,400 and 1,574, you get a B. 1,225 to 1,399 will be a C. 1,050 to 1,224 will be a D, and lesser than 1,049 will be an E. So good luck, and looking forward to a great class. Let's make it a great class. Good luck.